Dershowitz just torched the Democrat Party. He's voted Democrat for 70 years. He voted for John Kennedy, Bill Clinton twice, Obama twice, Hillary Clinton, and Biden in 2020. He just flipped and went anti-Democrat. April 21st. Wall Street Journal op-ed. Dershowitz officially registered Republican. His words: "The Democrat Party has become the most anti-Israel party in U.S. history." He said he will vote Republican for representative, senator, and president until something changes. He pledged money. He pledged speeches. He pledged campaign work. For the GOP. Then this week he went further on Pod Force One. "I am scared of them. I want them defeated in every single election. Lose the House. Lose the Senate. Lose the presidency. I feel like I am in 1932 Berlin." Standing against what he calls anti-Jewish radicalism in his own party. 87 years old. Campaigning against the Democrats he has voted for since Kennedy. The Democrats did not just lose Dershowitz. They made him an enemy. Want to wake up driven. Bull state. Flow state. Download No Mercy on Google Play. The Android alarm that keeps you committed. No Mercy reads your goals aloud, reiterating voice reminders that will not stop until you act. Optional QR code or math problem to dismiss. 7-day free trial. Then $3.99 a month. Cheaper than your morning coffee. Like the video. Subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Of ex-conservative news. Do you have something to say about this story? Drop it in the comments.